Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Glad that you guys are here. I'm Bye Money. Thanks for joining. We're trading a Nascraq every single day using 4 funded accounts. And with these funded accounts, we're shooting for 6 figures. We're shooting for it, pandas. We're doing it. We're gonna live the dream. We're gonna achieve the dream. Just a matter of time. It's a matter of when, not if. Pandas, you here with me? You ready to get it? Pandas. Make sure you scalp that like button. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat. Show some love to the panda. Show some love. The daily chart, we're setting ourselves up for a nasty move back down. After a strong move down, we're looking for another leg down. So if we break the previous candle's low on the daily chart, you better believe I'm going short. Right now, what we're seeing is a spike in channel coming off the previous day's low, and this happened overnight. So maybe I should have had Big Mama set up. I would have got a nice Big Mama right here. Top left of your screen. I mean, struggle bus yesterday. We're down like 1,000 yesterday. So hard. I got burned. I traded a little bit after the stream. I was actually pretty positive after the stream for a little bit. I went short here right off the 20 MA, thinking limit order, price action. Got myself a nice little scalp here. Went short here as well, and got myself a little scalp here, and that all happened after stream. So I won 2 scalps in a row for about what, 20 points here, 10 points here, and then this nonsense. Oh man, this is the one that got me. This is the one that set me back big time. I took this trap trade. I took it up here because I was so eager to take it, and then I re-entered again one more time right here. Then the market went berserk. The moment it came back down to trigger this, it like took me out, gave me crazy slippage, and then blasted off the way I thought it was gonna go. I did get a little scalp off here with a small little win, and then I went long here again. I went short here with the trap trade, and that took me out. And then went short here. Oh, I went a double position here. Got taken out. Interesting. Oh, what was I thinking when I did this? Oh, what happened was I went short here, got taken out, then I attempted again to go short, and then it went all the way down. I was looking to come back to the previous day's close, and then it came back up and took me out break even. That's what happened. All in all, pandas, tough day. Tough day. It got pretty tough. That was wacky. What happened here, I was just like, oh man. That was just crazy. That was crazy. I've been okay with the swing stop, but I'll be way down here. Lots of risk. Quick look at the news, pandas. We have news at 10 o'clock today. It could be okay. We had Jolt's job opening. The big news is tomorrow, pandas. I mean, mark your calendars. Mark your calendars. What news do we not have tomorrow? 8:15 a.m. ADP non-farm employment change. 8:30 a.m. employment cost index. 10 a.m. pending home sales. These are all kind of big news in itself, but I wouldn't consider any of those to be a huge impact. It could cause some volatility. But the big one is 2 o'clock Fed funds rate. 2 o'clock Fed funds rate. That's the big one. That's the big one. 2 o'clock Fed funds rate and FOMC statement. That's huge, pandas. Let me say good morning to a couple of my pandas here. Charles Wilson, good morning. Albert M.O., good morning. Speedy Boy, good morning. Some of the Rockies, good morning. According to the daily chart, it looks like it wants another push down. But we shall see. It does look like it wants another push down. The weekly chart is finding itself to be right on the 20 EMA. Could find some support here. 5-minute chart. It was just like range day. Like I mentioned, like days if there's like gonna be big news later in the week, the days leading up to it typically are pretty choppy. Pretty choppy. It's waiting for the big news. Wow, this is actually like coming all the way back here. This trend line is actually like, it's crazy how respected it is. It's like super respected here. This trend line. Respect. But most likely gonna break out soon. That same, I mean, we can make the same trend line on the 2000 tick chart. It doesn't look as nice though. Yeah, it doesn't look as nice. Well, I could use this. Let's try that. The computer's breathing heavily. Market's about to open. 2 minutes, pandas. Hold your horses, pandas. We got a little spike in channel here. It's a little interesting. It actually spikes channels like this. Consolidates, then spikes in channels again. That's kind of what's happening right now. One minute to market opens. Remember, pandas, we do have news at 10. It's not like super high impact news, but it's news. We got JOLTS job openings. I have seen JOLTS job openings affect the market. Yeah, I have seen it, so it could happen. Spike. If anything, maybe I could just make this a trend line here. Yeah, a couple bounces off of here. Let's just use this, pandas. How about that? How about them apples? Market about to open. 10 seconds, pandas. Ready? Let's do a countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Time to get some bambaroonies, pandas. Quick look at the 5-minute chart, bouncing right off our trend line that we created. Could flush here. Could flush. We're back in a trading range. We do have a trading range here. It's still developing. Why did the trading range indicator keep developing the trading range? Because it recognizes that the move up was so slow that it didn't consider it a breakout yet. Okay. Bounce on the 20 though. Ooh, very strong move back up. Very strong move back up. These strong bull bars ending on their high. Reversing back up, made a new high here. Jeez Louise. Limit order market, maybe just limit orders waiting up here, limit orders waiting down here. I'm just always looking for limit order markets now. I just want to trade limit orders all day, pandas. Let's try. Today will be a limit order day, you know what I mean? Limit orders winning here, just a couple ticks above the previous pivot high. You think we get limit orders down here as well? Wow, trading range indicator moved back up. It adjusted itself to up here, recognizing now we have multiple hits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, that doesn't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hits. Okay, higher low, pushing up. Strong bull bar ending near its high. Limit orders, shooting it back down. Do I feel confident in any trade right now? Jeez, not really. Not really. Just sitting on my pause, pandas. Waiting for this to develop a little bit more. Is this breaking out now? Perhaps. Perhaps breaking out. I kind of want to go short here and see what happens. Seems silly because we're in an uptrend for sure. We're in an uptrend for sure. And the 20 EMA is acting as a nice support right now. I'm going to go for a 1-to-1, just 10 points. People buying with limit orders here. All right. I see how it is. I see how it is, pandas. Just limit order galore right now. Do I want to try with a limit order here? Just a couple ticks above the previous pivot high. How about that? Or does this look like it wants to launch? Either way, it's a 1-to-1 trade. Ends up pushing down kind of decently well here. I would need a lower high of some sort. Okay, pushing down decently hard now. Maybe I should have held appropriate risk, but the trade itself was so bad, I didn't want to risk too much. Like, we had a 20 EMA here, we're in an uptrend, I didn't want to risk so much there. You're basically trying to time it perfectly. Ended up working out, but man, I mean, most times that would take you out up here. But it is what it is. Still in the limit order market, it seems like. Decent push down. Lower high setting up here. Okay. Okay. Still in that limit. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. These candles are just so back and forth, back and forth. I could be winning with this limit order above the previous pivot high. I could just be doing that. Making some money here. That's what other traders are doing. Right? Just previous pivot high, short, previous pivot high, short, previous pivot high, short. Again, previous pivot high, short it. Making money. Oh, PNL, show my bad. You're absolutely right. All right. I mean, that's the pattern right now. My dumb brain wants to go short like this, though. How dumb can my brain be? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. I'm glad I didn't go short there. It's just gone long, huh? Limit orders. Is every bar being bought up right off the 20 EMA here? This is the pattern. Let's try it, pandas. I mean, this is the pattern I've been seeing. Let's try, right? We've been seeing that all day. Let's see if we can get some bamboo with this. In this trade, see what happens, pandas. Can we get some bamboo here? Or did we mistime it? The one time we enter, it doesn't do what it has been doing for the last several bars.
Target filled.
Pandas. I mean, is there any more pure price action trading than that? I don't know. Literally reading the price action, seeing the limit order market, joining in with the limit order market, getting exactly what we wanted here. I mean, that's pure price action. That's more price action than Pat's. Buying down here probably works out well as well, but it's a little inconsistent where it's being bought up. Sometimes it makes pretty deep pivots. Like this. Curious to see what happens. It just bounces right off our trend line. I mean, looking for at least 2 legs down, right? Very difficult to trade. If I just bought here, I mean, I guess technically 1, 2, 3 attempts to short. It's gonna make a decision soon which way it wants to go. I think.
10,000 tick trap.
Another big push up here. It's loving the 20 EMA right now. I mean, should I just try again with should I just try again up here with another limit order trade? Such strong bull bar. I'm staying away from, you know, 3 multiple bull bars in a row just to short it right after that. But geez, look at this price action. I could have, I mean, just shorting it right at the close of that bar, I could have made money. How in the world am I supposed to predict this? Try and get better trading with limit orders, pandas. I'm trying to get better. Okay, does get to our trend line. Still in a very trickly manner. Do I want to go short here, pandas? Okay. This is a strong bull bar, no thank you. Breaking out right now. This huge triangle that we've been in for a very long time. The 5-minute breaking out now. Is it going to be a true breakout? We'll see. We'll let the candle finish. Let the candle finish. Technically, the range of this line can come way up here, right? It's anything in this wick. Basically, we can go, it can be way down here. It could be up here. In fact, if we make just 2 trend lines, it has to break both, basically. Whoa! All right, never mind. Looks like a failed breakout. I kind of want to go short now. Finding symmetry, finding that this is a bull trap here now. My trade is obviously like I need a pullback in a lower high. A lower high to enter, right? We need another pivot that's lower than this pivot to go short with, to help us feel a little more, have a little more evidence we're going short, like we're really pushing down hard. I'm gonna just trade it with the limit order, or not limit order. I'm gonna just trade with this bar, inside bar, and try to take the trade here. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I'll tempt it again. If it gives me my same setup.
Target filled.
Okay. Pandas, I'm moving too quick. I get it. I get it. I'm moving too quick, but I was looking to go short here. I didn't think I was gonna get the opportunity because of how this bar is starting to look. Right, a lot of traders are trying to go short after this failed breakout here, and you can see the response to it. And we're going the other way. We're probably gonna fill the gap here on the 5-minute chart. Right, that's why we have to wait for the candle to finish, pandas. Even though we saw this move way up here, we had to let the candle finish, and this 5-minute candle is almost 10 more seconds on it, and now it looks completely different than it did when it was like breaking out, quote unquote breaking out. Gotta let the candle finish. I mean, we do have news in about 15 minutes too. Do I want to go short here? Not really. It's too far away from 20 EMA, but most likely we'll push down here. Continue to push down. Yeah. Very strong push down. Almost want to trade the 5-minute. I almost want to, when we get close to here, I kind of just want to go short so I can just fill the gap here. Like, let's just say if it's like this close, I want to just fill the gap. Just go short and just thinking that the market's going to fill the gap here. Lower high outside bar, no thank you. It's such a strong push down. Another first entry setting itself up. Balancing out the 240 SMA as well. Decent push up. Should I take a bounce off the 20 EMA? It's such a strong push up. It's hard for me to just go short right here. Maybe a first entry then. I'm taking that first entry. See if we get a nice push down here. I'll look for a new low here on that first entry. Might have been better just wait for the second entry short here. But the first entry off the 20 EMA, I should have just sold with a limit order, honestly. The reason why I want the first entry is because it's right off the 20 EMA, right off our resistance here. I'm not going to wait for the second entry short because of how perfectly it comes off of our 20 EMA, plus a decent looking signal bar as well. We might end up getting a second entry short anyways. Decent push down.
Target filled.
I'll take that for now. I'll take that for now. Those are better than 1-to-1. I'm scared that something like this is going to form. A triangle of some sort. I'll again go short. Second entry short looks like it's going to develop here. I mean, it might not, but I mean, that's pretty close. That second pullback almost triggers a micro double top. It's so precise right now. All right, there it is. Got a second entry short waiting here now. Give me a decent signal bar, I'll take it. This is more about position, the reason why I went short here. It's not the setup. There's no setup here. It's the fact that it comes back up, bounces off the 20 EMA with a good signal bar. I mean, it's just a resistance being used. Plus how strong this momentum is. Plus my bias right now is short. That second entry short here, far away from 20 EMA. It doesn't look good. Again, let's get back to our resistance if we're going to take a short here. All right, we want like the bears. We want limit order bears to come in. We want evidence of that. Hopefully leading to stop order bears. Is that close enough, pandas? Is that close enough? Huh. Is that close enough, though? Signal bar 2 dojis in a row. I'm gonna sit on my pause here, pandas. I don't like it. News about to drop in 10 minutes. Probably gonna fill the gap here. It's a second inch short. Looks okay. Looks decent now. Okay, strong bear bar ending on its low. Near its low. Give me another push down, I'll take it. Right, give me one more pullback and I'll take it. I doubt I get it, but I'll take it if it does do that. Yeah, it's not gonna do it though. Ooh, it might still do it. Okay. I've got 3 bounces off here. We got a wedge. 1, 2, 3. I gotta go short here, pandas. I'm sorry. I have to try. I have to try. It looks sus. Alright, there's a strong bull bar here. Okay. Pullback is deeper than I would like. It's creating a spike in channel actually right now. Spike. Channel. I don't want to be like... I don't want to get married to a premise here, which is filling the gap on the 5-minute chart. I don't want to get married to it, but I could maybe just sell with a limit order here. Thinking spiking channel. Okay, it does trigger. I don't feel 100% at it. I don't feel 100%. I don't feel 100% with that trade. Come back into the wick. Some green showing here. News about to drop. Maybe I'll just wait for news. Like I almost just want to go short. Like with a limit order up here. Instead of going short with a stop order. Right, it's a spike in channel. I mean, this could really reverse and hit me, but my risk is limited. Okay. Let's see if we can get in here. I'm just trying to scalp out here real quick. Thinking a spiking channel is going to continue. It might not. I don't know. I should have skunked it. Ooh, I can still skunk it. Yeah, let's skunk this. Let's skunk it, pandas. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I got scared. I'm so scared. It might work out though. I mean, strong close beneath the 20 MA. It's just like all this consolidation here. I don't like it. It's getting very consolidated. Stop order market maybe. I don't like the fact the news is about 5 minutes away either. It's really making me hesitate here. Alright, Paz, I'm gonna try. One more push down, I'll do it. Ends up being exactly what I thought it was gonna be. It ended up being exactly what I thought it was gonna be, pandas. Ended up being exactly what I thought it was gonna be. All right, I'm gonna short here. One more push down. It's gonna get me down to hopefully the close. Fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. It's a limit order market. Silly trade to take, but I'm a silly panda, pandas. I'm just do a 1-to-1, nothing more. Just trying to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart, right? It's right on the gap here, 10 points. I'm risking 10 points to gain 10 points. It's just a 1-to-1. It looks decent right now. I've seen it bounce like this though, pandas. I've seen it not fill like couple ticks and bounce. I've seen it. It might be what we're gonna see here, pandas. It might be what we're gonna see here. I've seen them. I've seen it. I've seen it many times. More times than you could imagine. I've seen it not fill these gaps by ticks. And it looks like that's might be what's gonna happen here. It looks like it's gonna happen here. Jeez. I'm ready for anything though, pandas. Come on! Oh, one tick. Missed it by one single tick. Ah! Pandas. Who reads it better? I'm the best reader ever. I'm illiterate. I'm a literate panda. Not illiterate. Literate. We got about 3 minutes of news, pandas. News about to drop 1.5 minutes, pandas. Let's be patient. Let's be patient for that news. Spike channel. All right, coming back to the top of the channel here. Bouncing off our channel. It's so close to news. 30 seconds, pandas. I'm just gonna wait for news, pandas. The news most likely will break us out of this like big consolidation. I think we're gonna push down, but we shall see. Alright, news has dropped. I mean, the 5-minute triangle is like almost perfect. Look at this triangle on the 5-minute chart, Pandas. I mean, respect, man. Respect. Really respecting this trend line. Nothing happened. Exactly. Jolt's job openings. Usually it doesn't do anything, but I have seen it move the markets before. I have seen the markets move before. I mean, does this have the energy to really break out here, Pandas? Does this have the energy to break out? The conviction to break out here? Decent move down here. Coming back to the bottom of the spiking channel. Get really pushing down now. Come back to the weekly open. I will be trading Big Mama. It looks like the 5-minute is breaking down. I want to go short if I can. But again, the 5-minute, you gotta wait for the candle to finish. But it looks very strong. Like it looks like it's melting. It's like it's currently melting right now. And we've broken out of the triangle. That's the more important thing, right? We have the triangle. It's not just melting, it's melting at a perfect spot to break down. I want to go short, but Pandas. I mean, what do I do? Just short anywhere? I mean, don't I want a small pullback at least before I go short? A first entry, maybe? Bouncing off the previous week's close? I'll try a first entry here, see what happens. It's so far away from 20 MA, but if it's breaking down, this is a good entry here. A strong bear bar ending on its low. What a bounce, though. What a bounce. What a bounce. What a bounce. In this trade. This is the first entry. I'll take a 1-to-1. I don't want to take more than that. I don't want to risk more than 10 points here. Just because if it does come back up, most likely it'll break the pivot high and make a second entry short. So I'll just take this risk. Yeah, maybe I should just waited for the second entry short here. So I'm already in this trade. I can just use this as my pivot if I do get one. I'll just risk the 1-to-1. It's fine. I think it was worth the risk. Now we're getting a second entry short off the 20 MA. Even better setup. my opinion. Got an undershoot, maybe leading to an overshoot. It can reverse here, pandas. Especially with a bad signal bar, right? Like, it's hard to go short with a signal bar that looks like this. But you know me, pandas. I'm going for it anyways. Because I got that crazy FOMO. This is why I didn't want to risk more than that, because it just felt like most likely if it was going to reverse, it was going to do this. Now we're clearly above the 20 MA, not looking to go short anymore. What a bounce. I mean, look at this. 5,000 tick, just boom, boom. Looks like chopsticks. Just strong bear bar, strong bull bar, ending on its high. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible move here. I mean, I guess I'm taking the reversal here. It's outside bar reversal. I don't love the outside bar reversal, but I guess I'll try. I gotta go for a 1-to-1 at least. At least a 1-to-1 here. If I don't get it, it's just not worth the trade. I'd rather just take the hit. I need to get the one. I need to win the proper amount here, pandas. I can't cut myself. I can't cut myself short here. We're very close to 1-to-1. I gotta wait for it.
Target filled.
Whoo! Ric Flair, whoo! Wild pants. What account gives the best value in terms of account size versus drawdown? I mean, account size versus drawdown, I think it's a 25K. If you want to talk about the best ratio, that's the best ratio you can get. And 1-to-2 was made actually on that. If you want to talk about best ratio, like absolute best ratio, 25K account. If you want to talk about like trading wise, what's the best value? That's Chat GPT. That's a pretty good idea. I mean, technically, math-wise, that's not true. But trading-wise, the best drawdown, like, even though the ratio of the drawdown is the best on the 25K account, you're talking about, but your trading, right? Your trading experience, it doesn't mean your trading experience is the best, because you have to consider your leverage and like how much, you know, when you trade a mini, how much you risk. So you have to consider that as well. And if all things considered, the 50K is pretty good. I'm trading 150K accounts right now. And the reason why I like the 150K accounts is because me personally, I like that $5,000 drawdown. I like that $5,000 drawdown. I kind of, you know, I feel comfortable with the $5,000 drawdown. I don't, you know, lose my fur when I lose a trade and I lose half my, you know, and if I'm on the 50K account, if I lose one trade, I lose half my drawdown. Right? I lose, instead of losing half my drawdown, I lose like 1/5 of my drawdown. If you catch my drift. But with that also comes with, you have to make $5,000 to be able to withdraw. Imagine getting 20x 300K accounts funded. I have been there. You know, at the end, it's just like trading one account essentially. When I trade, I don't really. I'm like pretty agnostic to how many accounts I have. I just trade this one account just as if it's the only account I have. And the problem with 300K accounts, you have to make so much money just to withdraw. You need to make $7,500 just to withdraw. And then you have to keep it above 7,500 to continue to withdraw. So it's, you know, it's just because the number's big, it just depends on your trading style and what you like. I personally like the $5,000 drawdown. So that's, you know, and I like to, that's why I like to keep it. Second entry long here. I'm looking to go short. So fail second entry long is what I'm looking for. Never beneath the 20 MA. We're gonna get our setup is a question. Will I get a fail second entry long here? I doubt it. I highly doubt it, but we'll see. Ooh, okay. Okay. I'm anticipating it. I'm anticipating it, pandas. Fail second entry long. Will the market be so generous, so kind to give us such a beautiful setup right now? I doubt it. I'm still doubting it. We need to suck in some more bowls. All right. Well, here we are, pandas. Here we are. It looks like a good trade to me. I want to put all my marbles here, but it looks like a decent trade to me. One problem is that it's bouncing off the 20 or this trend line right now. I like this trade for actually a pretty deep push down. Let's retest the pivot low here. At least to break this low. When we break this low, I feel like it's gonna be a strong push down. It might flush here, pandas. Hold your horses, pandas. Ooh! Got so close to flushing. Got so close to flushing, pandas. I might just get hit here now. It got so close to breaking out. Oh, I think a lot of bulls felt that. That's a bull trap now, or bear trap. Jeez, it got so close to flushing, pandas. You have no idea how close it got to just waterfalling right there. Jeez, pandas. Just breaks my neck, rips my face off here. It looks like a limit order market starting to develop at the moment. What a push, pandas. Man, oh man, oh man. It got so close to flushing. It was very close to just flushing right there. I felt it, pandas. And then it just ripped my face off. Do I want to keep going short here? I don't know. I don't know if it's worth. Let me strong bull bar ending on its high. Now we got an inside bar on the 5-minute chart. Wow. Man, that was so close to flushing, pandas. I took the appropriate risk, I think. And I think I was getting the appropriate reward for that trade. Like, I wanted a lot. The reason why I said I was going to flush, because the 5-minute chart almost broke this low, continuing this move down, and I think it was going to break this pivot low. I thought it was going to really flush there. But instead, now we're getting all this choppiness, limit order market type situation. Man, that was been a nice trade. Got second edge of short forming on the 5,000 tick chart. Looks juicy as well. Right, second edge of short on the 5,000 tick. Looking for another push down. Trading range as well on the 5,000 tick. I mean, today could be choppy because tomorrow we could be waiting for news tomorrow. Could easily happen. I mean, we're above the 20 MA on the 5,000 or the 1,000 tick, so I'm not eager to go short right now. Maybe on the 5,000 tick, I'm looking to go short. But right now, I'm sitting on my pause. Sitting on my pause for now. Okay, decent move up. Ends up being a bear trap, I think. Let's see, pandas. Let's see if we get anything juicy from this. Looking for a new high, perhaps, now. All right, new high created. That little pop-up. I mean, have we officially reversed? Possibly. We could be in an uptrend now. Quite possibly. Or possibly not. Limit order market seems like right now in the higher time frames. I kind of want this trade. I want this 5,000 tick trade. It looks kind of nice. I want this 5,000 ticks second inch short here. The only problem is a trading range indicator is telling me there's a trading range here and we come all the way back up to the top, which I wouldn't be surprised if we did, because basically that's a breakout area. But I'll try. Let's see, pandas. Let's see what happens. It's a 5,000 tick chart trade. The risk is huge. That's the main problem about these higher time frame trades. Let's look for a new low. I think this is my trade, pandas. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Let's stay vigilant, pandas. Let's stick to the plan. Let's look for that new low, pandas, shall we? Woo! Pandas! Pandas! Stay vigilant, pandas. Diamond cojones, pandas. Diamond cojones. I mean, we gotta get at least a 1-to-1. I don't think we even got a 1-to-1 yet. Not even a 1-to-1 yet. Gotta hold on to this, pandas. Either we lose it or at least get a 1-to-1. I was willing to risk all this, so. Double bottom here. Could be a double bottom. Push back up. I mean, anything can happen, really. It's just a second entry short off the 20 EMA on the 5,000 tick. Let's just see if we can get something from this. All right, decent push down, looking for another push down, looking for a new low, retest of this low. That's just kind of all I'm asking for. Not all I'm asking for, but that's like, it's pretty typical. So let's see if we can get it. The only problem is we're risking a lot, right? These candles are huge. This risk is huge. How much am I risking here on this one single candle? It's 625. I mean, it'll just bring us back to break even essentially today. The 1,000 tick is looking pretty bearish. If we get a fail second entry long here, that'll be really nice. A fail second entry long on the, you got lower higher underneath the 20. It looks bearish to me right now on the smaller time frames. Pandas, thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers, pandas. Ooh. Ooh. Come on, give me that push, give me that flush. Give me that flush, what I'm looking for. Pandas. Pandas. 1-to-1 made. Looking for that new low still. Looking for that new low. Come on. You can do it. I want to let this candle finish. About 2,000 more ticks on the candle. I want to let the candle finish. Gotta let it cook. Let him cook. Gotta let it cook, pandas. You gotta let it cook. Let it cook. But you don't want to overcook it. You know what I mean, pandas? You want to let it cook, but you don't want to overcook it, if you know what I mean. Whoo! Don't overcook it, pandas. Don't overcook it. Looking for one more jerk down here. One more big jerk down. I think we're going to get it. Let the candle finish. Alright, just let it cook. Let it cook. Let it cook. Bouncing off the previous week's close. It could be a serious support here. We may not get it, pandas. It might have just bounced off here and reversed off of this level. I mean, this is a strong reversal. Previous week's close. Unfortunately, it might take us out. I wanted to let it cook. I think it's too well done. I think I overcooked it, pandas. I think I overcooked it. I hope not, but I might have. I hope not, but I might have. Or not, pandas. I could come out the 1-to-1 if I don't like this move. I could come out the 1-to-1. I'm being greedy. Am I being greedy, pandas? Just hold it. Hold! Breaking my break even down to 1-to-1. Bring my break even down to 1-to-1. Or not my breaking my stop loss 1-to-1 to see how much more we can get. Virtually no risk here. Oh! Oh! Don't take me out, please. Don't take me out 1-to-1, please. Please. Push! 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 No, it's gonna take me out, pandas! I wanted to protect my 1-to-1. I mean, we're up a lot. Yeah, no. But I was just scared that this was going to act as like a super strong support here. And possibly reverse even. This is what I was scared of. I just couldn't hold. I couldn't hold, pandas. My cojones were too weak. I'm not too upset about that trade. I think I let it simmer long enough. I don't know. Maybe this push down here might be a nice push down. I don't know, pandas. Bouncing off the 20 EMA. Spike. Channel. I almost don't want to see what happens next, pandas. I almost don't want to see what happens next. I almost don't want to see it. All the profits I could have gained. Oh, we break the low. We got another push down right off our trend line and 20 EMA. It's not looking too hot. It's not looking too hot. Now it's looking good. Retesting that wick. Maybe second entry short might be worth taking here. Maybe second entry short might be worth taking here. Ah, there it is. That's the push. Ah, pandas. It's all good. I'm happy with my gains. I'm happy with my gains. I've seen it all happen though, pandas. What if? But what if, pandas? This is nah, this is a strong push down. I almost just want to go short right here. Just to get like a 10 more points, just short right here, right now. Ooh, but good thing I didn't. What's this nonsense about? What is this nonsense about right now, pandas? What's this nonsense about? What's going on? Alright, there it is. Ah, pandas, I could have held. I could have held it. I could have held it. It was too much risk for me as it was reversing right off of that support. Makes that new low finally. Ah, pandas, I mean, I wanted it so bad. I held it. I held it for a long time too. The lower time frames actually was useful to help, give me more confidence in that trade. It's basically staying underneath the 20 MA, bouncing off of it. I left about 200 on the table. I just didn't like the fact that it bounced multiple times off of the previous week's close. Not that it really bounced off it before. I mean, it did bounce here. I was scared of something strange was happening. Now we're getting a serious push down, maybe. Yeah, always in short, maybe on the 5 minute. Too much heat for me. Like, it came all the way down, it came all the way back up, and then gave me another opportunity to get out. I said, okay. Pushed down pretty hard, and then said, nope, we're going to retest it one more time. Makes that new low. It's a spike in channel currently. Spike channel. Strong bull bar ending near its high. You have serious cojones just to go short on a bull bar like that. That to me is just, you have to have some serious cojones. Some FOMO now. I just want to go short anywhere, everywhere. Short anywhere, everywhere, maybe. It looks like a limit order market, so it could be silly to try to enter with a stop order here. I'm trying to make up for the money I should have gained. I'm trying to make it up now. I'm going to pay for it. Watch this. I'm going to get punished for it. I'm definitely going to get punished for this, pandas. Definitely going to get punished for it. I should just come with a limit order here. Like this. I should. Nope, too scared. Inside bar created here. Showing some choppiness in this trade. 1-to-1. Risk 200 to gain 200. Right, just looking for first entries now. Could be a dumb trade. It looks like a dumb trade. It is a dumb trade. I'll tell you right now, this is a dumb trade. I'm tilted. I'm tilted and I'm up 1,000. What is wrong with me, pandas? I have some mental issues. What is going on? I'm tilted for some reason. I'm up $1,000. There's no reason for me to be taking these risky trades. Or I'm a genius. Or I'm an absolute genius. Or I'm an absolute Or I'm an absolute genius. I'm protecting my I'm coming out break even if it does reverse back up here. The reason being is because then I can come in probably with a second entry short. Woo! Woo! Genius trade. Either I'm a genius. Ah! Ah! Pandas! Come on! What in the world? Do I want even more than this? Because of the pain I'm suffering? Whoa!
Target filled.
Pandas. I didn't have a single doubt that I was going to win that trade. I knew 100% that was a good trade from the start. Easiest trade of my life. Pandas. Why am I tilted when I'm up $1,400? How is that possible? The Nascraq. It'll do that to you. All right. I agree. We are absolutely just killing the market right now. Reading it like a book. Reading it like a book. Another push down. I kind of want Big Mama here. But I don't like when Big Mama, you grind down to Big Mama. I don't like that at all. I mean, look at this spiking channel. Spike channel, just channeling down. Decent move down. The Nascraq. Big Mama? I really don't like it when it comes down like this to Big Mama. It's like overextended like crazy. I guess I'll try. I'll try twice. I'll try twice. If it doesn't work this time, I'll try again. Might martingale it. Maybe 2 contracts the second time. Ooh. It's getting more and more sus as I look at this.
Target filled.
I don't like it, Pandas. Moving on, next trade. I don't like it. I don't like the fact that it's even struggling right now. Big Mama should be quick. Okay, it's getting hit by limit orders though here. It's not that bad of news. Let's reverse. Probably reverse pretty strong here. So I'm thinking. If not, I'll attempt it again. I'll try. If it breaks this low, I'll try. All right, now if it straight up just goes, I'm glad I'm glad I canceled that, Pandas. Jeez, what a bounce. I'll go with double here. What a push up. Daily chart breaking low here. I personally think it's going to push down pretty hard. I think, at least. This might need a second push down here, though. Second entry short possibly here. I'm not interested though, just because the bounce was so strong off the previous day's low. I feel like it could reverse here a little bit. So I got your short forming here. I mean, off our trend line, also off the 20 MA. I gotta try. I mean, it's a perfect second entry short right now. It's virtually perfect. Other than the outside bar reversal. Decent trade. Does trigger there. Let's try to get Big Mama. Second attempt. Take out 2 contracts. What is happening right now, Pandas? Okay. Limit order market looks like. Interesting. Huh. Cool. All right, Pandas. I think that's it. Pandas. Up 1,490 today. I'm going to keep this Big Mama here and see if it triggers later in the day. But Pandas, we got that bamboo. Lots of shorts today. Market doing what we expected to do. Taking some good price action trading. And Pandas, I mean, I'm happy with the performance today. I hope you guys enjoy the content as well. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, 9:15 for the mainstream. Hope to see you guys there. And pandas, stick to the plan. Remember, stick to the plan. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.